with 3,264 plus chat prompt ideas. Are you facing a low problem in your business? Fortune IT Corp is an internet advertising and website marketing company based in India. We take pride in playing an important role in helping other businesses establish a strong internet presence via pay-per-click advertisement, PPC, cost per click advertisement, CPC, cost per acquisition, CPA, and search engine optimization, CO. We take satisfaction in watching them grow and find success. We are expert in all types of pay-per-click advertising and other website marketing and promotion services. Fortune IT Corp goes well beyond just benefits and basic tracking by providing more types of services designed to get you results and at a fraction of the cost of other alternatives. Our comprehensive solution provides a customized pay-per-click account that is designed for you and your industry, which means you will be more successful. The Ashish Nadik, CEO, Fortune IT Corp. For those that don't know me, my name is Ashish Nadik, CEO of Fortune IT Corp. I'm a successful digital marketer and tech entrepreneur with more than 13 years of experience in the field. Introducing the revolutionary new tool for internet marketers everywhere, 3,264 plus Chat GPT prompts for internet marketers. This cutting-edge spreadsheet contains 3,264 plus prompts that have been expertly crafted to unlock the full potential of Chat GPT, the powerful artificial intelligence technology that is changing the game for businesses everywhere. With a comprehensive list of prompts, you will be able to streamline your internet marketing strategy and achieve unprecedented levels of growth and profitability. This is your chance to finally unlock the true power of Chat and take your business to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your internet marketing efforts today. Transform your internet marketing efforts with our revolutionary 3,264 plus chat prompts. Unlock unprecedented growth and profitability now. Are you tired of struggling to achieve consistent, sustainable growth and profitability in your internet marketing efforts? Are you finding it difficult to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing strategies? The problem is that internet marketing is a constantly evolving field